Alright guys, going to do a bit of a walk and talk today. We're right here at the 5-star Marine Pier, which is where your check-in starts before you jump down onto one of our boats. And in the background you can see just over there, that's Lucas 5 that's been back from tour, and Lisa 2 over there as well. It's a little bit early in the afternoon, so those were early departing boats leaving about 5 a.m. in the morning. But what I wanted to do was to spend a little bit of time to show you the pier so you can see what is available on the pier, because we were often asked what happens if we arrive at the pier and we want to get something. Flip the camera around and here we go. Well, firstly, right next to our office we have this cafe called the Next Door Cafe. It's got some outdoor seating, and quite often we'll do a briefing of our guests out here while they're having a coffee if that's what they want to do. They can sit down here at the cafe. You can come inside the cafe and you can see inside the cafe they've got all different types of bottles of alcohol, from vodka to gin to looks like there's some wine over there. Man, it looks like they're going to be having a big party here. You can have all types of drinks. You can have tea, coffee, hot, cold, iced coffee, famous Thai tea, all of that here cooked by the wonderful team here at the cafe. On top of that, there is food available, and they've even got a menu. This is the Next Door Cafe menu. It's two-sided, and if you wanted to know how many drinks they can make, well, that sign is the biggest sign of drinks I've ever seen in my life. For those of you who smoke, you can pick up some smokes while you're here. If you're looking to take some fruit on board, you can pick up some mangoes as well. But not only do we have the Next Door Cafe, but we've got the Next Door Mini Mart. Now, for those of us who forgot some of our clothes, actually, turn the camera for a sec. This jacket I'm wearing is from this pile of clothes here. I just picked it up today because I left my jacket here. But if you're looking for some shorts to go swimming in, they're available here in all different types of sizes. If you're looking for some longer leggings so that you don't get so sunburned all day, or you're looking for a dress to wear or something to wear while you're out there, all of that's here at the Next Door Mini Mart. While we're here at the Next Door Mini Mart, let's also see what else they've got. They've got sunscreen of all types and kinds here at all different price points. Over here they've got a bunch of sanitary items that you might need. They've got extra additional soft drinks and soda for those of you who want it. There's milk, there's Kleenex tissues, there's, I don't know why you're going to need this on tour, but if you want to wash your hair, there's toiletries to wash your hair, there's mouthwash, there's shaving cream. Now, it does have some of these things at our cafe, but they're here because some of our guests quite often jump straight off the boat looking to have a shower and then jump straight on an aeroplane so that they can then head on out of the country. Now, not only all of that, but we've got snacks. We've got snacks galore. We've got big bags of chips, little bags of chips. We've got Thai flavored chips. We've got international flavored chips. If I was you, I'd have a go at these little potato snacks. They're amazing. And as always, the favorites of my kids, the Lay's burger barbecues, or even these spicy, don't even know what they are, but they're a little bit spicy and they're quite nice. And you also got the Thai Doritos. So we've got a bunch of chips, and coming around this side we've got our Lay's, we've got our Stacks, we've got our Pringles, we've got lollies, my favorite, the Coca-Cola trolley lollies, we've got cashew nuts. Well, and you know as well as I do, I don't go anywhere without my sunglasses. So if you forgot your sunglasses and you're worrying about getting out there on the boat and not having some protection for your eyes, there's some pretty cheap sunglasses here available for you. Look at that, just 250 baht. So scrolling around, looking at that. Not only that, look over here, they've even got some Crocs. So if you've got your shoes, or you want to have something more comfortable to wear on the tour, they've got Crocs here. They've got Oreos. Coming over to this side, and I know you're seeing the fridge wondering, is there alcohol in that fridge? Well, we'll get to that in a moment, but as you can see, a bunch of other types of snacks and food that you can take with you. And now we get to the part where you've all been wondering about is, do we have alcohol? And yes, there's Leo there. I see some Singer. I see some Chang. I see a Corona with someone's name written on it. Oh, I see San Mig. That's Jay's favorite. Hey, Jay, let me take that, and I'll go put that on my desk for when you get back, if you ever get back. You know, he goes on tour and goes away. He never tells me when he's coming back. Then obviously we've got water, we've got Gatorade, we've got Thai tea, Coke. Then over here, a bigger supply for you to put on the boat and put in the ice box. All of that's available for you on the pier here at our 5-star marine pier at the Mini Mart and cafe next door. So if you've been wondering, how do I get ready for my tour, but I haven't had time to drop down to a 7-Eleven, or I don't even know where to get some of that stuff, pick it all up here on the pier before you head out on a private tour.